Welcome back, friends. Now I will explain reasons behind success and failure. There are always reasons behind success and failure. I will explain that what the reason behind it. When some people adopt the same way of success, but all of them don't gain the same level of success. Even they adopt the same way of success. If you arrange a race, now I give an example. If you arrange a race among the same weight, height, health, and age group of people and set a same distance to cover up, then it will be really difficult to predict about the winner. But if all of these things are different among them, then even a child can say without a doubt about the winner. So same formula applies on different people who adopt the same route to success in their different circumstances of lives. Therefore, result comes up in different forms and levels. I go to next page. Now I would like to say some basic principles of success in this game of life and destiny. I think it's not a rocket science to understand. First one is engage. First, intellectual and hard work is not essential for everyone in gaining the success, but they are essential. When intellectual and hard work, they are essential to keep it in your hands for a long time. So engagement is must. Join. You can see so many wealthy and prosperous, foolish and lazy people around you who get these blessings from heritage, and after all, they lose them if they don't make themselves wise and hardworking. So join with these virtues like engaging, intellectual and hard work. Focus. So the poor must have to adopt best rules to sustain their lives right from the scratch. Priorities, otherwise their next generation will go more and more down, keeping in mind that their ancestors did the same mistake. And your sufferings are the reactions of there are your own mistakes, because every action has a reaction. Try. I will give an example. Once a man watches a football match and asks from one of his next spectator that how easily every player is hitting the football. The man replies, because there is nothing in football except the air. If it is filled, if football is filled with some solid thing, then nobody dares to hit it hard. So try to fill yourself with potential and skills and intelligence, then nobody will dare to deceive you. Conclusion. So take necessary measures to avoid from being a football among the life and destiny game. Now I go to next page. There are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. Those who are afraid to try and those who are afraid you will succeed. Nobody can fight against destiny but can try to dodge it and the trick is to take notice of all those factors due to them you are failed and which are creating hurdles in your success. This task is very easy to say but extremely difficult to do. But we are to do, because there is no shortcut to success except miracles, and they don't happen daily. Concentration is the last one. Good fortune. Good fortune is to complete the right work on right time, and bad fortune is opposite to it. Don't check your papers yourself by giving them 100% marks, because your success depends on others' perceptions about you, not on your own perceptions about you. Therefore, always consider what people say about you, and there is an old saying that voice of people is the voice of God. Lastly, always keep in mind that there is a difference between success and greatness. So the real success is that which comes up with greatness, and the real failure is that which loses the dignity. So in next video I shall come back and I shall tell you the 7 targets strategies.